If you want a great higher-end, high-efficiency, durable, and portable solar panel, the BLUETTI SP200 200W solar panel is going to be a great option for you. 200-watt solar panels deliver an impressive amount of power for various applications, and the SP200 is a powerful, high-performance solar panel. It comes with an excellent conversion efficiency, an intuitive installation process, and a high transparency rate for better light absorption. It utilizes durable, scratch-resistant ETFE material and advanced laminated technology that allows for long-lasting usage. The junction box also comes with a robust IP65 rating to protect against dust, splashes, and environmental particles, but it shouldn't be consistently exposed to heavy rain or snow. I like that the installation process is intuitive, and it comes with 4 adjustable kickstands to find an optimal angle for sunlight, pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, and a nearly 10-foot-long power cable that allows for flexible placement. While I would have preferred direct USB charging, it's compatible with most solar generators, so it's ideal for camping and home uses. It also has a solid operating range of -10 to 65 degrees Celsius to withstand most extreme weather conditions. It comes with a foldable design, an ergonomic rubberized handle, and a lightweight 14-pound frame for improved portability and utility for outdoor uses. The customer service is also impressive, and you get a 2-year limited warranty and 24/7 customer support. While the price is relatively high for a solar panel, the 200-watt SP200 utilizes monocrystalline cells that produce up to a 23.5% conversion efficiency, which is much higher than most competitors. It also has a high transparency rate of 95% that delivers superior low-light performance compared to similarly rated polycrystalline panels, so it remains functional in less than ideal weather conditions, although optimal results are best seen in direct sunlight with no shadows on the panel. I believe the BLUETTI SP200 200-watt solar panel's list of features set it apart, and it has a lightweight build that's surprisingly portable. It provides a quality build that can withstand extreme weather and a solid 2-year warranty to keep it functional. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.